Right about there. Oh, this is a fun box from Shenzhen, China. Let's see what's in it. I believe these are my wheels from D1RC. And I got these on AliExpress, where they were actually very inexpensive. I was shocked to see if these are quality like I think they are. I was surprised to see that they were as inexpensive as they are. Nice. Big meaty lugs on these tires. Perfect. We'll have a look at that in a second. Here are the rims for Morris, Jem, and myself. A few different vehicles. And then, this one right here. The beautiful ones. Aren't those amazing? Very nice. You know, I'm just going after, like, what I'm commenting on is the cut pattern of them, of course, how shiny the aluminum is. Like, that is very well done. What's in the white box? Holy cow. That's quite the presentation. Wow, very cool. 1/8 or 1/10 it says here in the bottom. 3.2. The D1RC's like the super dub wheels here. I definitely want to have a look at this. I saw them on their Facebook page. A huge beadlock. Again, fairly inexpensive. I was surprised, but really it's kind of basic. The chrome, the ring, the brushed aluminum that you'll never see, and then the beautiful inside. Little magic trick you can do here. Wow. The shine on those is fantastic. So there is the set of wheels, the full set. All right, in the last two boxes, what do I have on the inside? Check them out. 3, 2, 1, bam! This is for my wife's truck, whichever one she wants it, either on Pinky or on Candy, if they fit. It might not fit on Candy, I'm not sure, they're quite large, but they're beautiful tires. They're definitely out for like rolling with style. And I want to say still rather on the inexpensive side, like they're not like the super, they look well cut. I don't know what you'd expect other than I need a good polish on these rims. So here we go with the total order that came in, and this was all under a couple $100. Like, I was really shocked at how inexpensive these were. We'll have to see if they hold up over time. One of the things I do with all of my beadlocks is I go in, test the screws, check them out, maybe drop some thread lock in there, because anything like that that kind of turns and moves all the time, you want to make sure it's nice and stable. There, I think Jem is going to absolutely love these rims. Over here, I am thinking I'm going to stretch some rubber over these wheels right away because I want to see what they look like and if I can even fit them under the vehicle I want. Morris is going to have a ball with his red TRX4 now. He's always booting around the backyard scale park with it. And check it out. When I was showing these, I showed them like this. I didn't even realize when I put the order in that when you flip them, you actually get this gold star instead. And Morris wanted a set of gold rims. Of course he did, after he told me he wanted black ones. So this is like an added bonus. I can actually undo these screws, take out the plate, and add this bead to, or this inner star to it instead. So he'll love that. This is was going to be my flat black choice for any vehicle I have out there right now that I want to lock in there. But instead of me keeping these, because they were, you know, like a good deal and they seem to be like a fairly decent set, I think I should give these away. So why not check it out? I know videos last forever, contests don't. And if you're watching this and the video's over, I'm sorry, but you should have been here sooner. Subscribe and be notified. I'm going to put a link to a contest in the video description box down below. Good luck to the winners. Anybody can answer. I will box these up, sign them, and send them out to you myself. So that's cool. Okay, you appeared unexpectedly in my shop and you have not seen the wheels.
Okay, we have to say
ready?
unfrozen.
3, 2, 1, unfrozen.
Okay, yes.
Here are your new wheels. Yeah, what do you think?
Oh my gosh, they're beautiful.
So these are the tires you're going to be getting if you want. They're huge. Yeah, these are like tires if you want to be rolling in style. Because I'm a mother, P-I-M-P.
I always roll in style. So what vehicle is this for? I apologize.
Okay, so this is, I would think either for Pinky. You look gorgeous, dear.
No way. You want to put these guys on Pinky or Candy?
These are yours.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, remember I said that we had these on the way? I ordered them and you finally got them. I unboxed them for these guys to see and now you get to see them.
They're on the way, they're on the way, they're on their way.
Yeah, so
Nice boxes.
yeah, so you're on your way to go get Morris from school.
Mm-hmm.
And I am just kind of mounting up some tires as they just found out.
These are beadlocks.
These are the tires we're going to try to set them up with here. Check these monster lugs out. These remind me of the IMEX tires I have on the Black Widow over here. But they're just a slightly different tread pattern. Sorry, it's a little dark in here, but you can see the difference. Same lug, same idea, but siping in the middle. Hopefully this will be much better for winter time. But different treads for different terrains. So things like this on the backyard scale park will do really, really well, except on the smooth wood. And then a tire like this, which I think is also kind of fun, that it is called, let me see here, the Black Widow. Interesting and coincidental for sure, but I think this one will do so much better because it's got a lot more surface area, a lot of traction area, plus a lot of siping, and on top of it, this tire compound is super sticky and really soft, right? So lots of traction even in the winter months, and it starts to firm up. It's still gonna have enough sidewall action to get some good grip. So looking forward to seeing that on the JK Max. Might as well bring it over now and see how they look. And bam! There it is, guys. What do you think? Half of you right now are like, oh man, you gotta change those right now. The other part of the crew is like, snap, that looks dope. I'm loving the JK Max. Remember, this is a 13.5 pound truck the way I have it set up. That is a lot of weight on these tires, on these sidewalls. I'd like some different memory foams in here. Definitely going to have to check into that because I got quite a bit of squish going on underneath, but not a lot of high sidewall. And that's what I really, caught my eye about this company really, was these rims and the cost of them on AliExpress. Now, it's not like these are like amazing quality. These are great. I don't see anything wrong. I did find that they have some soft screws in the back, but I didn't have any stripped screws. I was just very careful with everything, lining them up and how they go in. They do have a counter set inside beadlock ring. And you can see it was just an obvious choice for this Capo JK Max that I have. If you guys haven't seen this build, I do have a whole series on it. Plus, I've done some crawling with it. I'd love to take this back out to the desert or something and do some re-crawling with these rims. I think these treads on here are going to be actually very, very capable and mounted up on the JK Max. It's just kind of a match made in heaven. So guys, thanks a lot for tuning in today. Now get outside and go have some fun with RC because you know I always do. Ah, mini-me! Looks like Halloween time.